Wally Patriot here. Good morning. It is fall in Orange County, Virginia, and the sun is rising. And I just seem to keep getting out of bed earlier and earlier. The more excited I get about the future for Orange County. A little bit of inside news. We're looking at possibly creating our own print newspaper. More to follow. A lot of pieces to put in place. But we've made some really bold moves and got the support of the community. And on that note, we're looking for Cub reporters and a lot of civic engagement. And in fact, Orange County resident Sara Cook, no relation, just happens to be my daughter who grew up and was born in Orange County. She's also a foodie, and she's an outstanding registered nurse working on her nurse practitioner. So she's going to be writing articles for our Health Corner and our foodie page. So here's the first one. The Farmers Almanac talks about how you incorporate acorns processed from ripe into your diet. Wow. What a local and fun treat to have here in our lovely acorn-plentiful Orange County. They describe them as similar to chestnuts and explain step by step how they remove those bitter and potentially toxic acorn tannins by sufficiently repeatedly soaking or boiling, followed by roasting to make acorn butter, flour, simple snacks, and yummy fall desserts. Whoa, I hope I can find some. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to make them myself. Anyway, apparently processed ripe acorns were a dietary staple for people living in North America for millennia. And you know what? That would certainly include Orange, where we have plenty of oak trees. We can join the squirrels and deer this year in plump, joyous, and acorn-sprinkled holiday feast. Plump, happy squirrel picmoji I need you to put in your mind as we say that. It'll be in print. The Old Farmers Almanac 2021, How to Prepare and Cook Acorns, Yankee Publishing, and I'll put a link on the website, on the description.